Hello students, good morning. Again ready for our next English class? All are ready? Yes? Okay, shall we start? What was the topic we had done yesterday in our last period? Gender, right. So name the 4 types of gender. Can you name the 4 types of gender? I can see some children are putting up their hands, some are not. Yes? Revise, open out your copy and you can have a look over there and then you can give the answer. Right? We remember we have made that graph over there. 4 types of gender, right? So how many types of genders are there? There are 4 types of genders. Number 1, masculine. Number 2, feminine. Number 3, common gender. Number 4, neuter gender, right? Now come on, quick. Tell me the definition of masculine gender. Yes. Try to read it in your copy. You have written it down. Yes. Yes. Repeat slowly after me. A noun that is a name of a male person or an animal is said to be a masculine gender, right? Is it so? Am I right? Okay, so now let's revise feminine gender. A noun that is a name of a person, a female person or a animal is said to be a feminine gender, right? Common gender, it can be either the name of a male or a female is said to be a common gender. And neuter, a noun that is a name of a non-living thing is said to be neuter gender, right? And we had learned how to form genders from masculine to feminine, and to form a gender from masculine to feminine, some words change their whole spelling. Let's revise the words. Yes, come on. Boy, girl, husband, wife, mother, father, uncle, aunt, king, queen, brother, sister, dog, bitch, nephew, niece, fox, vixen. Are you all repeating after me? You have to repeat after me. Revision, I am doing it for you. So you have all to repeat after me. Gentleman, I am not getting your voice. Yes, I want everybody to speak up. Gentleman, lady, groom, bride, drake, duck, horse, maid, monk, nun, sir, madam, widower, widow, right? Now today we are going to learn how to form feminine by adding ESS, right? So today what we are going to learn is to form the feminine by adding ESS. Now the ESS you have to highlight it with a color pen or a sketch pen so that you may remember it. Okay. So by adding ESS, you write it in the bracket. Now number 1, prince, 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 princess, 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 राजा का बेटा prince, राजा की बेटी princess. Next, number 2. See what we have added over here? ESS. The whole spelling is the same and we have added ESS. Hunter, HUNTER. Hunter will become huntress, HUNTRESS, huntress. Next is actor, ACTOR, actor. Actor will become actress, ACTRESS. Lion, Lion, lion will become lioness. Lioness, lioness. Tiger, Tiger, tiger will become Tigres, tigress. Yes, conductor. 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 Conductor will become conductress. 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 Emperor. Emperor. Empress. Emperess. Waiter. Waiter. Waiter will become Waitress. Waitress. Master. Master. Master will become mistress. Traitor. 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 Traitress. Traitress. So, what have we learnt over here? We have learnt over here is to form the feminine, we can add ESS to the masculine part, right? Now the first word is prince, and this prince will become over here princess. ESS, princess. Hunter. RESS, huntress. Actor. ESS, actress. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Conductor, conductress. Emperor, empress. Waiter, waitress. Master, mistress. Traitor, traitress. Right? So waiting for you to complete your work. By the time you complete your work, I'm here with you. Let's don't think that ma'am is gone so I can stop writing. Ma'am is here only. Ma'am is looking who is writing, who is not writing. You'll get a message on your WhatsApp that you are not writing. So complete your work with me and you will also enjoy. All those who have finished writing can keep reading the words. Yes. Learn the words. Prince, princess. Hunter, huntress. Actor, actress. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Conductor, conductress. Emperor, empress. Waiter, waitress. Master, mistress. Traitor, traitress. Hope everybody's work is complete. Right? Yes. So, some feminines are formed by replacing the word. How they are formed? By replacing a word before or after. Replacing a word. It can be either before or it can be after, right? Now let's, for example, grandmother. Grandmother. Now grandmother, this mother will be replaced by grandfather. So my answer becomes, sorry, it should be father over here. Grandfather. Now this word I am going to replace it by grandmother. Right? Next word, landlord. Landlord, jamindar. So this lord will become lady. So here my answer becomes landlady. Next word, peacock. See here, P-E-A, peacock, C-O-C-K. This cock over here will become hen. P-E-A-P, hen. More, morning, right? Man servant. Now see here, man servant. This man will change into maid. M-A-I-D, maid servant. Next, billy goat. This billy will become nanny. N-A-N-N-Y, nanny goat. Bakra, bakri. Now, the sixth word is boyfriend. Boyfriend will become, boy will change into a girlfriend, right? Girlfriend. Okay, so some feminines are formed, the masculine is changed into feminine by changing a single word. Either it can be a before or after. Now grandfather, the father was the later word and this became mother. Landlord, landlady. Peacock, peahen. Man servant, maid servant. Billy goat, nanny goat. Boyfriend, girlfriend, right? So complete your work. Then we'll see with some common nouns. Yes. Now these are some common genders. Here you have to make 3 columns, right? Common gender, which can be a male or a female. So it can be a masculine gender and a feminine gender. Now, number 1, teacher. Teacher can be a masculine also and feminine also. Okay, leave this word. Let's do some other word. Cattle. Now, cattle is a group of cows and buffaloes. Cattle is a group of cows and buffaloes. So, cattle masculine will be bull, bear, feminine will be cow, right? Next, F-O-W-L, foal. Foal means poultry animals, right? It can be a cock, it can be a hen. Next, goat. Parent. Now, parent can be a mother, it can be a father. Sibling. Now, siblings can be brother, sister, right? Spouse. Spouse can be husband, can be a wife also, right? So, when you get a single word cattle, it belongs to the common gender. When you get bull, it belongs to masculine gender. When you get a cow, it belongs to feminine gender. So, common genders is a name given to both, either a male or a female. Fowl means poultry animals which gives us egg. Cock, hen, these are all poultry animals. Parents, father, mother. Sibling, bhai behan. Brother, sister. Spouse, husband, wife. Right, complete your work, waiting for you. Yes, so your work is complete. Let's move on to the next. Yes, now we are going to do an exercise on this. Page number 25, question number D. What is it? Page 25, right? Question number D. Classify the nouns. You have to classify the nouns. Right, into masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine, make 2 columns, masculine gender, feminine, right? Now, one by one we are going to pick up the words and then we will classify them and write them in their separate columns. The first word is actor. Is it masculine or feminine? Actor, masculine. So my word will come over here, actor. Next word is bride. Yes. Bride is not the answer for this. You will commit mistake. What you have to write it in this column. Whether it comes in this column or this column, right? So you are going to write bride over here. Again, understand it clearly better. This bride is not the answer for actor. What some words are given to here, a group of words is given, that you have to classify into 2 columns. So the first one is actor, bride, sultana. Sultana is the name of a girl or a boy? Girl. So my answer will come here. S-U-L-T-A-N-A, sultana. Next is man. Which column is man going to come? Man is masculine. So man will come over here. Man. Next word, heiress. Heiress. उत्तराधिकारी. जो राजा की गद्दी होती है उस पर बैठने वाला जो नेक्स्ट पर्सन होता है उसको बोलते हैं हायर. अगर लड़का होता है तो लड़का बैठेगा, लड़की होगी तो बेटी बैठेगी. तो उसी तरीके से हायरस आएगा हमारा फेमिनाइन. H-E-I-R-E-S-S. नीस. नाउ भतीजा, भतीजी. सो नीस feminine. Nephew, niece. So niece will come in the feminine column. Prince. राजा का बेटा. Yes, masculine. Next word is hero, masculine. Next, lad. लैड यानी जेंटलमैन, राइट? लड़का को लैड भी बोला जाता है. LAD, lad. See, my space is ending over here, so I am going to write it on the next side. Queen will come in feminine. Queen. Next word is wife, feminine. Then rooster. You know what is a rooster? Have you heard a name rooster? Yes? Tell me what is a rooster? Yes? No? Nobody? Rooster, cock. मुर्गे को रूस्टर भी बोला जाता है. सुबह सुबह उठ के मुर्गा बांग लगाता है, कुकड़ू को, और सभी को उठाता है. So rooster means a cock. And a cock is a masculine or a feminine? Masculine. So right? After rooster, priest. Priest यानी साधु. So my answer will come in the masculine column. I-E-S-T, priest. Next, groom. Groom, don't get confused with broom. They sound same but the meaning is very different. Groom मतलब दूल्हा and broom मतलब झाड़ू. जो मामा सुबह से झाड़ू यूज करती है ना, that is a broom. B and G. The only difference is between B-R-O-O and broom. Broom is the झाड़ू and groom is दूल्हा. So दूल्हा masculine or feminine? Yes, come on. Okay, it is masculine. The next word is lass. Now, lad. Lad मतलब लड़का. Lass लड़की है. ओल्ड जमाने में बोले जाते थे ये वर्ड्स and obviously lass is feminine. Right? So my answer will come here over here. Right? We are done with this exercise. Complete it. Done, children? Shall we move on to the next exercise? Okay. My next exercise is question E. Page number 25 of Fancy Book, question E. We have to rewrite the sentences by changing the gender. So my question is, rewrite the sentences by changing the gender. Here you have to change the gender. Let's see one sentence. Number 1. My uncle has a pet dog. My uncle has a pet dog. Now you can see in your textbook that uncle and dog is written in a different color, right? You can also use these colors to identify, and you can make your work very easily understandable and readable, right? So my answer. Now what you have to do is uncle. Now you have to change the gender over here. Uncle will become aunt. So you write down my aunt. Here you can use the blue sketch pen. Red for question and blue for answer. Uncle aunt has a pet. Now what is the feminine for dog? Feminine for dog, bitch. B-I-T-C-H. So this is how you are going to write down the answers, right? Moving on to the second. My grandfather was a rich landlord. My grandfather was a rich landlord. Landlord यानी जमींदार. बहुत सारी जमीन थी मेरे ग्रैंडफादर के पास. Now my answer, while writing the answer, the two words underlined are grandfather and grandlord, and here you have to change the gender. So what will happen? What are we going to write down the answer? My grandfather will become grandmother. Grandmother was a rich landlord. Landlord will become landlady. Landlady. Right? So these are the two words which we have changed. Hope it is very clear. The remaining 4 you have to do it for homework. So your homework is complete the exercise on page 25, question E. Right? So these are the 2 examples which I have given over here, and according to this you have to complete the exercise. Right? So hope you all will try doing it and you will enjoy doing it. Bye bye for now. We'll meet in the next lecture with your homework done. Right? Okay, bye bye.